Cosmos has shown potential for serious development in 2021 as it flooded to 453.3%. For the Chimapsis and Kepler project, a great deal has been accomplished with hardly a pause in between. It is one of the many undertakings propelling the Cosmos environment, including ledger equipment, wallet support and permissionless mix of new chains. Cosmos coin, Atom, progressed forward with a bullish disagreement 2022, transcending $40. The send-off of Cosmos Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) was an achievement and will help any environment utilizing the Cosmos SDK. This incorporates the DeFi stage Kava, CertiK, Secret Network and others. An intriguing improvement for the Cosmos people group. Unintentionally, the accident of the Luna token and the Terost stablecoin toward the beginning of May 2022, both in view of the Cosmos organization, could drive the Cosmos cryptographic money's downfall. 20 May Cosmos cost investigation affirmed a vertical pattern, pursuing the bullish direction that began the earlier day. The cost has continually been recuperating during the previous week, alongside 2 in number amendments too, which has impacted the upwards pattern. What is Cosmos coin? One main pressing issue inside the blockchain business is that there are hundreds in the event, that not a great many blockchains all over the planet, yet a couple of them can impart or share data. Universe designers pointed toward tackling this issue, and that is the thing Cosmos is doing. It gives a stage to engineers to create blockchain inside a biological system where they can speak with one another and send tokens from one blockchain to the next. For that reason Cosmos is generally alluded to as the web of blockchains. The Cosmos SDK likewise permits engineers to rapidly create blockchains or decentralized applications without coding the whole program without any preparation. With numerous blockchains utilizing Cosmos, it is a commendable venture, since financial backers can continuously track down something of interest inside the environment. Universe coin, normally alluded to as Atom, is the local digital currency that powers Cosmos. Particle digital currency permits its holders to add to the administration and security of the blockchain network. Holders likewise get an opportunity of designating, marking their Atom tokens to the validators on the blockchain and, thusly, procuring more tokens through the proof of stake agreement component. This makes Cosmos cost expectations very significant. There are numerous brokers who need to know when to purchase Cosmos and when to sell Cosmos. Yet, it very well may be presumed that Cosmos will likewise give extraordinary advantages, assuming you hold it. What number of Atom coins are available for you supply? The ongoing complete Atom supply is 222,078,856 with 279,863,459 coins right now in the flowing stockpile, meaning just 80% of the coins are accessible for exchanging among financial backers. The excess 20% is held by 2 organizations. The Interchain Foundation and the All-in Bits. It is vital to take note of that the complete stock continues to increment as increasingly more Atom tokens help acquired by the clients through marking. This makes Atom not quite the same as other digital forms of money, which are added to the market through mining. What is the Cosmos blockchain network? Universe blockchain network, likewise alluded to as the Internet of Blockchains, is a decentralized biological system of interconnected blockchains, decentralized applications, known as zones. It makes a crypto-biological system that joins different blockchains through open-source devices that permit smoothed-out exchanges between them. The first blockchain to be created was the Cosmos Hub, which shapes the center of the whole biological system. The other blockchains, created by different engineers, are associated with the Cosmos Hub and interconnected. The Cosmos Hub keeps a record of the zones in the biological system and their states. It is vital to take note of that no focal party controls or works with exercises inside the environment. Each zone can share tokens and information inside the biological system automatically. Who are the Cosmos pioneers? Universe Network was helped to establish by designers Ethan Buchman and Jay Kwon in 2014. These two designers are the ones who thought of the Tendermint Agreement system, which presently drives Cosmos. Two organizations were likewise effectively engaged with fostering the blockchain. They are the All-in Bits and the Interchain Foundation, ICF, a Swiss non-profit association that finances open-source blockchain projects. The ICF was answerable for leading the primary Atom token ICO in 2017, which raised about $17 million. Be that as it may, Tendermint Incorporated, which later became Cosmos, directed another gathering pledges round in 2019, raising $9 million to go on with the venture. Benefits of possessing the Cosmos Atom. But the world going to blockchain innovation to take care of a bunch of issues that influence each industry. Blockchain designers are searching for stages that permit them to foster custom blockchains without going through the thorough course of coding the whole program without any preparation, and that is the thing the Cosmos gives. Subsequently, blockchain engineers could run to Cosmos, bringing about a climb in the Cosmos cost. Particle holders can involve the token for exchanging, spending inside the biological system where a few DeFi projects put resources into, sending as installments, or in any event, marking to procure more Atom coins. Universe Technical Analysis. As of 3 June 2022, Cosmos cost is right now at $9.11, and the computerized resource has been on a declining pattern. Our information examination finds that the cost target is probably going to be $5.92 in the following couple of months. The marking return has likewise been on a downfall and is right now at 6.2%. ATM exchanging volume is presently at $195,098,323.14, while the market cap is $2,617,363,082.81. WE update our ATM to United States dollars cost progressively. ATM costs are somewhere around 4.33%, and the advanced resource is as of now ruling 0.21% of the whole cryptographic money market. The current market cap positioning is number 29, while the complete circling supply isn't accessible. Examination for Cosmos digital currency delineates a declining market pattern by which the market might arrive at a lower part of $5.92 in the following couple of months. The advanced resource is as of now being oversold as the RSI pointer is at 31.5, and this presents a chance to purchase the plunge. The MACD shows a negative hybrid, and this demonstrates that the descending pattern is probably going to go on for the time being. The 200 EMA is additionally underneath the ongoing cost, and this demonstrates that the momentary pattern is negative. The help levels are at $7, $6, and $5, while the